Who is the first king of India? Chandragupta, king of India, 320 to 330 CE, and the founder of Gupta Empire. He was the grandson of Sri Gupta, the first known ruler of the Gupta line. Chandragupta whose early life is known become a local chief in the kingdom of Magadha, part of modern Bihar. What is the history of India? India history is a culture in a dynamic spanning back to the beginning of human civilization. Its beginning begins with a mysterious culture along the Indus River and forming communities into the southern lands of India. By the end of 4 millennium BC, India has emerged as a region of highly developed civilization. Old India is approximately 250 years. India is a home to of the old civilization world. From the traces of hominoid activities discovered in the subcontinent, it's recognized that the area now known as the Indian inhabited approximately 215,000 years. Who is the father of India? Magnus, the father of India. Magnus, due to the pioneering work of recording ethnic derivation, which was then complemented into volume known as Indica. He was the first foreign ambassador to India. The word Indica was used to mean various India-related things as per the ancient. Who is the powerful king in India? Emperor Akbar. Emperor Akbar was from Mughal Empire and was one of the greatest monarchs in the history of the world. Ashoka, the grandson of Chandragupta Ashoka, was one of the Indian great emperor ruling the Mauryan dynasty. With the empire that spread almost across the century. Sunga royal family, 1st century BCE. The Sungas oriented from the Magadha and the controlled areas of the central and eastern India subcontinent from around 187 BC to 78 BC. The dynasty was established by the Pushyamitra Sunga, was overthrew the last Maurya Empire. When did India got its name? The name India is originally derived from the name of river Sindhu, Indus, and has been in the Greek since Herodotus 4th century BC. The term appeared in Old English as early the 9th century and remained modern English in the Vasco da Gama. Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama was the first European to reach India via Atlantic Ocean. When he arrives as a Calicut on the Malabar coast, da Gama sailed from the Lisbon, Portugal in July 1497, rounded the Cape of Good Hope and anchored at the Maldives on the east coast of Africa. Who is the richest royal family in India? The Mewar dynasty. The Mewar dynasty is one of the oldest and most popular royal Indian families. The descendants of which live Udaipur today. Sri G. Arvind Singh Mewar is the 76th custodian of the House of Mewar, preserving the vibrant cultural heritage